Indoor greenery can transform a living room into a fresh, vibrant, and relaxing space. Hanging varieties are especially useful for saving floor space while adding cascading beauty and texture to interiors. They enhance decor, improve air quality, and create a lively atmosphere. Let's explore the best indoor hanging plants for living room. Manjula pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a stunning hanging plant that instantly brightens a living room with its elegant, heart-shaped leaves. The foliage features beautiful swirls of creamy white, silver, and soft green, creating a unique marbled pattern that draws attention. Its gently trailing vines cascade gracefully from hanging baskets or shelves, adding depth and natural charm to interior spaces. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to typical indoor conditions, making it a favorite for home decor. Easy to care for and visually striking, it brings freshness, style, and a calming green presence to any living room environment. Forest cactus, Lepismium bolivianum, is a unique and elegant hanging plant that adds a soft, natural touch to living room interiors. Unlike typical desert cacti, it has slender, trailing stems that cascade beautifully from hanging baskets or elevated planters. Its delicate green foliage creates a light and airy appearance, making it perfect for modern and minimalist decor. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moderate watering, adapting well to indoor environments. With its graceful growth and low-maintenance nature, forest cactus is an attractive choice for bringing texture, freshness, and subtle greenery to a comfortable living room setting. Lipstick plant, Aescynanthus pulchra, is a striking hanging plant admired for its glossy green leaves and unique tubular flowers that resemble a tube of lipstick. Its trailing stems gracefully cascade from hanging baskets or shelves, adding movement and charm to living room spaces. The bright red blooms emerge from dark buds, creating a bold and eye-catching contrast against the rich foliage. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and warm indoor conditions. With its exotic appearance and elegant growth habit, lipstick plant brings color, beauty, and a lively tropical feel to living room decor. Staghorn fern, Platycerium bifurcatum, is a unique and eye-catching plant known for its dramatic, antler-shaped fronds. Its distinctive form makes it a striking decorative feature in living rooms, especially when mounted on wooden boards or displayed in hanging baskets. The soft, green fronds create a natural and artistic look that enhances modern and rustic interiors alike. This fern thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys moderate humidity, making it well suited for indoor environments. With its unusual structure and elegant appearance, staghorn fern adds texture, greenery, and a sculptural beauty to living room decor. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansonii, is a beautiful and popular indoor hanging plant known for its distinctive leaves with natural oval holes. The delicate, trailing vines cascade elegantly from hanging baskets or shelves, adding a tropical charm to living room spaces. Its unique foliage creates a striking visual texture that enhances modern and stylish interiors. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to indoor conditions with moderate watering. With its attractive leaf pattern and graceful growth habit, Swiss cheese vine brings freshness, greenery, and an exotic decorative appeal to any living room environment. Philodendron Brazil, Philodendron hedraceum, is a beautiful trailing plant admired for its striking heart-shaped leaves marked with vibrant lime green and deep green variegation. The cascading vines flow gracefully from hanging baskets or shelves, bringing a fresh tropical touch to living room decor. It thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts easily to typical indoor conditions, making it a favorite among plant lovers. One unique feature of this plant is its ability to tolerate lower light better than many other decorative plants. With its lively colors, easy care, and elegant trailing growth, Philodendron Brazil creates a warm, relaxing, and naturally stylish atmosphere in any living room. String of Pearls. Curio Rolanus is a fascinating hanging plant admired for its unusual bead-like leaves that resemble a delicate string of green pearls. The slender trailing stems cascade beautifully from hanging baskets, creating a unique and eye-catching display in living rooms. Its distinctive spherical leaves store water, helping the plant tolerate short dry periods. This succulent prefers bright, indirect light and well-drained soil to thrive indoors. With its charming appearance and elegant trailing habit, String of Pearls adds a playful yet sophisticated touch to interior decor, making it a wonderful decorative plant for stylish living room spaces. Burro's Tail. Sedum morganianum is a charming succulent known for its long, trailing stems densely covered with plump, bluish-green leaves. The cascading stems can grow quite long, making it an excellent choice for hanging baskets in living rooms. Its soft, bead-like foliage creates a graceful waterfall effect that adds texture and visual interest to interior decor. This plant prefers bright light and well-drained soil, requiring only occasional watering due to its drought-tolerant nature. One interesting feature is that its delicate leaves detach easily and can grow into new plants. With its unique appearance and relaxed growth habit, Burro's Tail brings a calm, natural beauty to living room spaces. Spider Plant. Chlorophytum comosum is one of the most popular and easy-to-grow indoor hanging plants. It features long, arching green leaves often striped with white, creating a graceful fountain-like appearance. From the mother plant, slender stems produce small baby plants called spiderets, which dangle beautifully from hanging baskets. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to normal indoor temperatures. It is also known for its air-purifying qualities, helping improve indoor air quality. With its lively cascading growth and simple care needs, spider plant adds freshness, charm, and a vibrant green touch to any living room decor. String of Bananas. Curio radicans is a charming trailing succulent known for its curved, banana-shaped leaves that grow along slender cascading stems. The playful foliage creates a lively and unusual appearance, making it a delightful addition to living room decor. When placed in hanging baskets or elevated pots, the vines spill downward gracefully, forming a soft green curtain. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-drained soil with occasional watering. One interesting feature is that it grows faster and is often easier to maintain than many other trailing succulents. With its unique shape and cheerful growth habit, String of Bananas brings a fun and refreshing touch to indoor spaces. English Ivy. Hedera helix is a classic and elegant trailing plant often used to enhance indoor living spaces. Its graceful vines carry attractive, lobed green leaves that cascade beautifully from hanging baskets or shelves. The dense foliage creates a rich, natural look that complements both traditional and modern interiors. This plant grows well in bright, indirect light and prefers slightly cool indoor conditions with moderate watering. One interesting feature of English ivy is its ability to grow as both a climbing and trailing plant. With its timeless charm and lush greenery, English ivy brings a refreshing and sophisticated touch to living room decor.